Which century was it?
It's mid.
The cameraman.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's mid. It's a mid 17th century painting.
17th century, yes.
17th.
Yeah. Who was the emperor then?
I think it was made probably maybe Aurangzeb.
Okay.
I think it's later than Shah Jahan.
Okay.
But I'm not off the top of my head.
Right. Any particular place it was painted?
It would have been, I think it's Mughal, so
Yeah,
northern India.
That's the rule, Mughal rule. But I'm talking about the place like Delhi or Agra.
It would have been northern India, but
Northern
we
India.
don't know.
Okay. Well, that's the video.